Welcome boys. In this video I'm just doing a quick demo of this Vevor infrared thermal imaging camera that I've been using around the house to do mostly fun stuff like see Eddie in the dark, but also to do some cool automotive stuff. So I've been driving the Beetle quite a bit lately. I finally got her dialed in. Our timing is at about 30-ish degrees at 3,000 RPMs. We've got the idle set at about 850 to 900. As you can see, the needle's bouncing around the 425 to 450 mark. And you times that by 2 to get the 4-cylinder reading, since that's on the 8-cylinder scale. For about 850 to 900 RPMs, that's where we want the Beetle to idle. The timing's adjusted properly. I believe I finally got the carburetors tuned in. And so now we shouldn't have any more of that hesitation on takeoff. But I've also been using this thing to kind of see what's going on with my heat risers to make sure they're functioning properly. And so with this device, I have it set where I can see the center spot, the cold spot, and the hot spot. As you can see, the temperature in here. The thing I'm aiming at is about 82 degrees. The maximum thing, which is the hot spot, is about 180. And the cool spot, which is the carburetor itself, is chilling up in the 63 degrees area. So if we look over here, you can see the hot spot is the heat riser at about 220. Cold spot is still the carburetor, and the center spot is my distributor. One thing is interesting though is the left side of the heat riser is very warm. When we get to this side, the side of these pipes here, you can see my heat riser, but it isn't very toasty at all. If I aim this thing right at it, it's like 100 degrees cooler than it is on the other side. See, there's the heat riser wrapped in that exhaust tape. Ditto for that side. But it's kind of cold. So I don't know what's up with that. I mean, you can see glowing clear as day there, but not on this side. I guess maybe it's the exhaust is flowing from here, going this way, losing all of its heat up here where the gasoline's evaporating in the throat of that whole heat riser device, and then by the time it gets over here, there's no heat left. I guess that's what's happening. But in any case, I just thought I'd show you this neat little device that I've been using. If you look down here past the pulley, it's really warm here. The exhaust is pretty hot. You can even see it coming out of the tailpipe there. But you do have extra modes as well. Like you go to palette, and I can choose which type of thermal imaging I want to see. So right here, this is what's called iron. Lava. Rainbow, red being hot, blue being cold. I guess a high contrast rainbow. Red and green. White, there are the hottest parts. Black being the coldest. And then the opposite, the black is now hot and the white are the coldest. The pretty neat little device. If you want to see what the underneath of an air-cooled Beetle looks like. Going past the muffler. See up there. The cylinder head. Be able to see it that well, but that's 260 degrees with fins. Those fins will dissipate the heat out from the cylinder head as this fan that's back behind here is blowing all the air out. Sucking in cool air, blowing it through these tubes over the cylinder heads, and then taking the heat out from under the car. So this is a neat little device. I believe I got it on a coupon. I paid less than Chuck paid for his. That I do know. With my coupon, I paid a little under $300. I think I got a pretty good deal on it. Truth be told. I don't know all the specs on it, but it has a pretty high refresh rate. Very high quality camera here. And I do like the ability to do palette swap. I can do infrared, views, visible, and alignment. I believe this thing's got where you can kind of, you can essentially do like a side-by-side where you can see like a visible image and then like the infrared. But oh, I guess it's pretty neat. And it does come with an SD card. You can actually press a button and then start recording. So if I wanted to, I can actually take pictures, or record videos. You see there's a timer at the bottom of the screen now. And I could put this on the computer and then talk over it so you can actually hear my voice instead of this engine running. I thought that was pretty neat. Alright boys, there it is. Fun little video with my infrared thermal imaging camera and me going through the timing and my idling. Because this should be at an idle about 10 degrees with the timing light. So if you see that, about 10 degrees. Set that to 0. If I, of course, set this to 10 degrees, you'll see we're pretty much right at top dead center. I don't know how well the camera picks this up due to the refresh rate and all that, but we finally got her dialed in, boys. So, if you like this little behind-the-scenes deal, what we got going on with the Beetle, catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.